Hi guys, and welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious homemade pecan pie. Vanilla extract, salt, brown sugar, pecans, Karo syrup, butter, and eggs. And now it's time to get all our ingredients added to our bowl except for our pecans. Give your ingredients a good mix just to make sure that everything's well incorporated. Now it's time to add in our pecans to our wet mixture, and we're going to get that stirred around to get those pecans well incorporated. Here's our homemade pie crust, guys, and now we're going to get our wet ingredients added to our pie crust. I will leave a link in the description box on how I make my pie crust. And you just want to take your spatula and make sure that everything's kind of leveled out on top. And this is what your pecan pie should look like before you bake it. And yes, it's already looking delicious. And guys, feel free to use store-bought pie crust if that's all you have. And we're going to get our oven preheated to 350. And we're going to get our pie baked for 1 hour. And this is what our pecan pie looks like once I have let it cool completely. And look at that, guys. It looks so delicious. And it's so easy. You will be so grateful for this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.